How do fault lines create mountains and valleys? Have you ever wondered how the Earth's surface transforms into majestic mountains and deep valleys? The answer lies in fault lines, which are fractures in the Earth's crust. These cracks occur when blocks of rock shift due to tectonic forces. These forces can push, pull, or slide the crustal blocks, leading to fascinating geological formations. When tectonic plates stretch or pull apart, the crust breaks along these fault lines. This creates blocks of rock that can move in different directions. Some blocks get pushed upward, forming what we call fault block mountains. A great example of this is the Sierra Nevada mountain range in California. Other blocks may drop down, creating valleys known as rift valleys. The Great Rift Valley in Kenya is a perfect illustration of this downward movement. In places where tectonic plates collide, the crust can fold and crumple. This process creates upward folds called anticlines, which form mountains, and downward folds known as synclines, which create valleys. However, fault lines specifically refer to the fractures where the crust breaks and moves. This movement can lead to significant changes in the landscape. As stress builds up along these fault lines, it eventually causes the crust to break, resulting in earthquakes. These earthquakes can suddenly shift blocks of crust, contributing to the uplift of mountain blocks or the sinking of valley blocks. Over time, repeated movements along fault lines create impressive topographic features like mountain ranges and deep valleys. From the perspective of natural disasters, fault lines are zones where earthquakes frequently occur. These seismic events can lead to sudden changes in the landscape, including landslides and rockfalls. This can be especially dangerous in mountainous and valley regions formed by faulting. The formation of mountains and valleys along fault lines is closely linked to these seismic hazards. They pose risks to human settlements and infrastructure. Understanding how fault lines create these features helps us appreciate the dynamic nature of our planet. So, the next time you gaze at a mountain range or a valley, remember that fault lines played a key role in shaping that landscape.